Welcome to DevTech 101 aka Black Mantle, as we discuss information technology, also known as IT. Today's video, we're going to be resetting a Dolby surround sound conference phone, and I'm just going to set it back to default. But before I do, I just got a PoE injector since I don't have a PoE switch available right now that plugs directly to a wall outlet. Data in goes to a standard Ethernet switch that you have in your home, and if you use the data out and power out, that's basically going to go through this injector and it's going to give the power to the Dolby Conference Phone itself. If you have a PoE switch available, you do not need this power injector, but I'm just doing this for the demonstration of this particular video. Now, this conference phone here is just something that I had just picked up just from some scraps. I just wanted to play around with to see if I can push some other things to it, but I'm going to show you how to reset this bad boy. You get it power to it, just touch the screen. It's going to come on. You take the power buttons here, and you're going to basically going to reset this. And how you reset it, you're going to hold down the volume down button and the mute button. You're going to hold that for about 10 to 20 seconds. You may see a couple of different colors and flashes with the little ring portion of the lights that's going on at the top. You choose what you want to do, whether it's settings and diagnostics and factory reset. We're going to do a factory reset here and take this back to as if it was out of the box. If you look real closely at the top around the circle, it's going to flash a different color there. And this is basically going to reboot the device. It's going to wipe all the settings out of it so that way you can use it for another office, or if you want to use it for a home or something like that, just for some experimental projects, totally up to you. Now, it's going to take a couple of minutes for this to go through its sync, but I just kind of sped up the video just a bit so you can see it. And once it's reset, it's going to let you know by paying attention to the screen. When you see the select language, that means it's reset back to its default. Whether you're going to leave it for English, French, Italian, or Deutsch, or German, or any other language, just pick and choose which one you like. I'm going to go ahead and select the English up there. And once I select English, now I have not configured this to another box or anything. I'm just basically just going to reset it just to wipe the settings out of it. Make sure you choose your time zone accordingly too. And from that point, people, if you use nets within your local facility, contact your IT department. If not, use it for home. Play around with it. Like, listen, and subscribe, people. Hope you like the video.